guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this timer stopwatch thing to your videos in CapCut PC. So make sure you download like a timer overlay, like a green screen one. You're then going to select the green screen. You're going to go to cutout, which is here, select chroma key, select the color picker, and you're going to want to select the green. I'm just going to select the one closest to the time here. You can adjust the strength here a little bit, but not too much, and you can add in a little bit of shadow as well, not too much as well though. And that is pretty much it. Now you have a timer overlay. You can place it wherever you want, maybe at the bottom here. You can also adjust the size as well, or maybe you want it like super big here, but like adjust the opacity a little bit. It's up to you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.